Hey guys, we're installing these traction bars right here. This is going on a 7 to 13 body style. One of the first steps is to grab your grinder and grinding disc, and we're gonna come down here and we're gonna cut this bracket right here. The instructions say to cut right here on the side and it'll just come right off. And then go to step 2 to cut this little nipple off. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grind this nipple down, and then I'm gonna get my pry bar to pry this off. And then on the 2007 to 2013 body styles, they have this black plastic rubberish piece right here between the leaf pack. I'm gonna get a screwdriver and poke it in, kind of wedge the leaf springs apart, and then we're gonna get this plastic part off. This is the first step, and let's see how this goes. Once you cut that nipple down, I grabbed a long wedge and a hammer, and I hammered the wedge in to pull up one of these tabs, and now we're gonna rip this bracket off to get ready for the next step. Now, once we have this bracket and this rubber filter spacer piece off, we're gonna go ahead and put the parts provided, our bracket. It's gonna end up looking like this once it's all said and done. We need to put this on immediately because the leaf spring is trying to separate with that original bracket taken off. So we're gonna sandwich this together with the washer and the nut, and this is how it's going to be. But with the wheel off the ground, you do not want to over tighten anything. Do not tighten anything to spec yet. Just kind of get it on there, get it in place, and once the wheels are on the ground, we're going to lay back down and tighten everything. So with this bracket on, we're going to move over here to the bottom of the flip kit. We're going to take this part off of the leaf spring, the flip kit, so we could put on our traction bar part. So we're going to swap them out, and that's the next step. So now here's what it looks like. We just kind of have it placed there. Nothing's tightened all the way, nothing's snug. We just have it kind of on there in position. And we're gonna bolt this up all the way and move to the other side. Because once the truck's on the ground, we can move on to the next step, which is connecting the two. All right, here's everything almost already said and done. Everything's tight, snug. You gotta play with the traction bar, the nut, and this little head right here. Kind of play with them together. Kind of see, just keep twisting and turning and kind of see where it goes in, where it goes out. And then once you have it kind of just barely touching, snugged up on here, that's where you want to tighten everything down. And that's it. You just tighten everything down, super easy, very minimal modifications. Right here, I just went right through the wheel, put my hand through there, and that's how I tighten that with the ratchet and wrench. And it's super easy, super easy. It looks good, and now we'll do it again. And this is the final product. Come all the way down. It's not really touching the piston ground. It's right there. You can kind of notice it when you're driving probably. But you have clearance and you're good to go.